too big. I gotta just get over this. Ooh, that'll just fit if I do. I need something. See, these are brass. They look copper, but they're actually brass. So I'm gonna do this on a copper pod. But I'm just trying to figure out if I want to put the S gear there and the skull there. I think I pre-bent these ones. I think I pre-bent these before in anticipation of doing something with them. Ooh, so close, so close. There's probably jewelers out there, real jewelers out there going, what the fuck is he doing? See, that's what you want. You want it forming a good seal. I still got a light, little tiny bit to do right there, but it's nice and flush. That just ensures this sits nice and flat. Just a friendly reminder. Oh, other way. Ah. God, I'm getting no love on that side. None. Fuck. Oh, shit. Shit. Ah. Oh, shit. I hate doing this, especially on a piece like this. Ah, son of a bitch. Fuck. Yeah. That's sometimes the only way to get the solder to, when it's really hot like this and there's a lot of oxidation. It's a fucking bastard. Fuck. Oh no. Get out of there, you fucker. God damn it. What a pain in the fucking ass. Oh, son of a bitch. Ah. Ah. Well, I got some cleanup to do before I figure anything out. Fuck. Oh my god. God damn it. Are you fucking kidding me? Fuck. Look what fucking happened. All that shit. Just... God damn it. Unbelievable, it didn't fucking warp. God damn it. That's what makes me nervous about keeping that fucking thing hot for so long. That's what happens. Replacement. Oh boy. I'm getting the fuck out of here. Finishing this, I'm getting the fuck out of here. This might fail really miserably. I'm ready for that. I might have to replace this one too, depending on how this goes. I've saved a lot of things, but there's just a certain time when you just need to call it. Shit, my fucking oxygen is going, man. There we go. So now I gotta clean that. I gotta cool it and clean it. Oh my God, look at all that shit. That's it. That bright rim, I want to see that bright rim all the way over. That means it's even. I like hammer forming on this. Last time I used that wood, but I noticed that it gave too uniform of a bend on certain parts and didn't bend on others, but this gives a much more uniform. I need to suck, I need the middle to suck the sides in, and that's what that does. I just need a little bit. Come on. Might as well get this while I'm at it. That looks good. Okay. Come on. There we go. There we go. I gotta wait till that cools for a minute. I'm really hoping that that worked. This is the second attempt because the first one went fucking, I screwed the pooch, man. It just went sideways on me. Sometimes that happens. This is gonna work. I got more cleanup, but see that heat scale came off. That's why I put it in the acid. So now I just gotta clean all that shit up. Thing is like a brake cable. It's right there. That thing will go through your finger like a brake cable. A lot of cleanup, but as long as everything's on there, cleanup's, yeah, secondary. It's not pretty, but it will be. See, I'll use different tools to clean up different parts. This is just kind of working the areas that I can get with it. There's a little bit of heat scale on there that I want the acid to work on. This one's gonna be cool. Now. Oh shit! Dude, you all right? This has to get proofed, which it always needs adjustment every single time. So here's an interesting thing that happens. When I texture it, it spreads the copper out. So what I have to do is I have to go back and reduce the diameter because it gets too big. These are machined pretty, you know, with precision, obviously. And so I have to reduce this diameter so this fits flush down in there and moves real nicely. And then I got to add my signature to this and the skull to this. It's a harder wheel. Closer. A little bit closer. See that gap? You gotta get rid of that. Not yet. Damn. Just a tiny, tiny bit. Ah. Alright. Super close now. Whenever it does that, you know you're real close. Nope. Not yet. Yeah. Still too tight. Oh man, that's close. That's how it should be. Beautiful and smooth. Fucking A. Okay. That's gonna go right there. This one, all right. That's all it takes. These, if you heat them too quick, these will cook real quick. These signatures. And these things will, what cooks is that tip that I did first. That thing will just cook. No. Fuck. See that little fucking hole? God. Right there. Boom. Oh. Burn my shit. Because that touched the floor, you gotta clean it, otherwise it won't stick because it's got rubber on it. I'm going super aggressive on this. No. I'm hoping I didn't warp that. I got a little crazy with that heat. Fuck. Let me see if I warped it. I think I got it too hot. Oh, God. Wrong. There we go. No. Straight. Damn. See how the solder's sitting on top? I don't know if you can see that, but that's when your piece isn't, the lower piece isn't hot enough yet. Once this lower piece gets hot enough, it'll suck that down. Right there, it's happening now. You see how that's heating up? That the curl on the R, that tells me that it's floating a little bit. It was floating just a little bit. I gotta drop a little more solder in there. Come on. See that little halo around it? That's what you want, that little silver halo. These kind of pieces I don't like just dropping in because it'll warp them if it's too hot. I like this logo to blend. It has to be smooth. Wants to take it. We'll hit some of this. Cool, huh? Now, if all goes well, so you're moving this plate, open it up, ash your cigarette, get your little, whatever out, aspirin, let's say, close that up, look, it's beautiful, cinch it up, good to go.